Hello everyone, today we're going to discover together a new tool called Partitioning Sets under mathes.ca. So as usual, I'm going to go to the address and type mathes.ca. And under Learning Tool, you can search for the partitioning sets. If you cannot find it, you click on More. And you go down until you find the application called Partitioning Sets. And when you find it, you can click on Open to open or download the application. Depending on your internet speed, it's gonna download the application. And this is how you can see the sets of happy face, of people, and of star. Together there is 10 things. You can increase this number by going up or decrease by going down. And you can see down that the question is, if you want to know, can you partition 8, let's say, things into 4 subsets, yes or no? So you can ask this question to your class. If I have 8 things, 8 different things, and you want to get the 4th of it, which means you partitioning the 8 into 4 subsets. And as soon as you see your class is ready, you can click on Go. And it's asked you to select a subset. So if I click on this subset, it's going to tell me that the set is partitioned into 4 subsets of equal size. So you can see 2 things, 2 things, 2 things, and 2 things. You can change the question to, let's say, can we find the third of 8 things, which means can you divide the 8 thing into 3 partition or 3 subsets? You ask this question and you click on Go. And here you will find a small problem that the first subset they have 3 things, the second 3 things, but the third one is 2 things, which means we cannot. So the set cannot be partitioned into 3 subsets of equal size. You can change a lot of stuff here by changing the number of things by going, let's say, up and down, or even highlight this number and type whatever you like 24, or even you can change the number from here, let's say 12, and you can change the number of things. Another thing that you can exclude or include anything from these things. So let's say I want to exclude the star and I want to exclude the people. So you will see that all the thing that I have, it's happy face. Another thing, you can also change the color of this happy face to all blue. And you start to ask the same question. If I have 12 happy faces and I want to partition it in 3 subsets, is it possible? And when we click, we get the answer, yes, we can. Another thing to change it is to go with the setting, make all the happy face the same size, let's say, and make little bit the speed of the animation a little bit faster. And you can start from the beginning by clicking on scramble. So it's gonna scramble all the things together, and now you can start to change the question to whatever you like. Can I partition 12 into 5 subsets? You ask the class, let them think, and you go with this way. And as a result, you can see we cannot, since they are not equal. So the set cannot be partitioned into 5 subsets of equal size. Also, you can get more information by clicking on I. And if you want to reset the whole thing from the beginning, you can click on the reset button and you get everything highlighted and you start your activity from the beginning. And don't forget, you can change the number of things from here, or by using the errors, or by highlighting this number and type any number you like. Thank you.